I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating eSIM with Telstra can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new eSIM card, your mobile device, and any identification required by Telstra. This usually includes your driver's license or passport. Step 2. Insert the eSIM card. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Visit the Telstra activation page. Open a web browser on your device and go to the Telstra eSIM activation page. Follow the prompts to start the activation process. You may need to enter your eSIM card number, which is printed on the card itself. Step 4. Complete the activation form. Fill out the required fields in the activation form, including your personal details and any plan selection. Double-check your information to avoid delays. Sometimes, a typo in your email can slow things down. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once you submit the form, you should receive a confirmation message. It may take a few minutes for your eSIM to activate. If you don't receive a confirmation, check your spam folder or contact Telstra support. I hope this guide helps you get your eSIM activated smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Telstra customer service.